Today, you'll create stunning AI images even if you've never designed before. Most people waste hours searching for images. AI changes everything. Let's start with the formula behind every great AI image. That is subject, next is setting, and finally, mood.
Welcome back. Listen, today's explainer is an absolute game changer. We're getting right into mastering AI image generation. Seriously, imagine being able to create these breathtaking, totally professional quality visuals in literally seconds. And we're talking about doing this without ever touching Photoshop, opening up some overly complicated design app, or honestly, having even an ounce of technical design skill. Today, we're making that your reality.
Now, are you still wasting hours scouring stock photo sites just trying to find that one perfect image that doesn't look exactly like everyone else's? Or maybe worse, are you paying hundreds of pounds for custom designs that still end up looking kind of generic? Well, if you are definitely not alone. That used to be the incredibly frustrating reality for almost every creator and entrepreneur out there.
Okay, let's dive into this huge paradigm shift. Because before AI, getting a custom image was painful, right? It meant hours of searching, spending 50 to 200 pounds a pop, and dealing with endless back and forth edits. But after AI, 30 seconds. It's either completely free or a simple one-time cost. And you get unlimited, entirely unique visuals tailored exactly to your brand. It is a complete revolution in how we create.
So here is our agenda for this hands-on explainer. We're going to cover the 4-part prompt formula, prompts for every audience, the 6-tool kit, a step-by-step workflow, and we'll wrap things up with an output challenge. Let's get into it. All right, Section 1, the 4-part formula, which is basically your blueprint for perfect prompts. Here's the thing. AI doesn't just read your mind. It actually needs structured instructions. The formula we use boils down to 4 simple steps: subject, setting, style, and mood. And this works universally across almost every single AI image platform we'll look at today. Using this exact structure is literally the secret to getting a high-quality professional result instead of, a weird generic mess. The golden rule here is that you have to be highly specific. Instead of just typing a vague phrase like "a woman in an office," which is going to give you a predictably boring output, you specify something like "African female entrepreneur in her 30s" for the subject and "modern Lagos office" for the setting. Instantly, the AI has a clear, detailed, creative brief to follow. It's like giving it a giant puzzle where all the edge pieces are already put together. Next up, we have style and mood. These basically act as the visual finish and the overall feeling of your image. By adding cinematic lighting for the style and powerful and visionary for the mood, you completely dictate the emotional tone and artistic direction. These 2 elements are exactly what transform a basic AI-generated image into a magazine-quality asset that actually commands attention. Actually, I want you to burn this pro tip right into your memory. Add the exact phrase, cinematic lighting, to your prompt. It instantly adds depth, contrast, and visual drama to your image. It's a super simple hack straight from our source material that effortlessly elevates portraits, products, and even interior shots. You gotta try it yourself. The difference is absolutely staggering. Moving on to Section 2, prompts for every audience and how to customize your approach. Look how seamlessly we can swap elements in the formula based on what you actually need. If you're an entrepreneur, your custom prompt might feature a CEO in a glass-walled London office. Are you a student? Simply swap that out for a student studying at a modern library desk, and a creator might use digital content creator in a minimal home studio. You just plug your specific needs right into the formula, and the AI delivers your custom asset. Easy as that.
All right, Section 3, choosing the right tool. We've got 5 free ones and 1 premium.
So here is your free toolkit breakdown. Leonardo AI is your absolute powerhouse. You want to use it for the highest quality portraits and cinematic visuals. Canva AI is perfect for instant social media integration because you generate the image and just drop it right into your design. Google Flow gives you beautifully clean, commercial business visuals. Grok is kind of your wild card for a creative, artistic edge. And ChatGPT with DALL-E, that's your go-to for quick, conversational, everyday mockups. It's like having an entire studio of free tools right at your fingertips.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is our premium spotlight, VideoExpress. This is the ultimate all-in-one platform for serious creators who really want to consolidate their workflow.
See, standard tools usually only handle images. locking you into these monthly recurring subscriptions that just drain your budget over time. VideoExpress, on the other hand, gives you AI image generation and full video creation in one single platform, all for a simple one-time payment. If you are producing content seriously, this is for sure your powerhouse.
Okay, Section 4. The step-by-step creation workflow.
This right here is your foolproof 4-step workflow to go from a totally blank screen to a final asset. Step 1. Choose the right tool based on what you need from our toolkit. Step 2. Apply that 4-part formula: subject, setting, style, and mood. Step 3, and this is incredibly vital, generate at least 4 variations. Never just click once, cross your fingers, and pray. And Step 4, pick the strongest image from the batch. It really is that simple.
To really hammer home that third step, professional designers always create multiple concepts before picking a final, and you should too. Because AI image generation has a huge creative element to it, every single output is going to be slightly different. Empower yourself with a professional mindset. Don't settle for the very first image. Always give yourself options.
Finally, Section 5, your AI image challenge. All right, here is your assignment for today. I want you to run the exact same prompt using our 4-part formula on 2 different AI tools we discussed. I want you to compare those distinct visual styles, because every AI model interprets prompts completely differently. Then, take your absolute best result and share it in the Fecund Circle WhatsApp group. Get in there and let the community see what you've created.
So what does this all mean? Well, you now have the exact formula and the best tools on the market to create professional visuals in literally seconds. Which platform will you master first to completely transform your content today? The creative power is literally right at your fingertips. Dive in, start experimenting, and I absolutely cannot wait to see what you create. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and happy generating. But today you have learned the tools and formula behind professional AI images.